What's up guys, my name is Mario, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a realistic shadow using Photoshop's 3D feature. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I just imported this picture of an AT-AT from Star Wars. And the first thing you're going to do is duplicate it with Ctrl J. You're going to go to your 3D tab, click New 3D Extrusion from Selected Layer. Your 3D workspace is going to load up. Alright, and from there, you're going to want to make sure that cast shadows and cast shadows are ticked. You're going to see that there's this infinite light at the top of the canvas. So you just click it. You can just move this wherever you want your shadow to be. So say the sun is coming from up here in the top right. You can just angle this to make it look like the sun was coming from up there at the top right. And then you have to like fidget with it just to make sure that it's in the right spot. You'll be able to cast a shadow from whichever direction you want. So in this picture specifically, it looks like the sun is on this side. So I'm going to make sure that I angle it right. And depending on the picture you use or what you're trying to make, where you're going to put your shadow is entirely up to you. So I'm just going to put it here. You have to go and revert your workspace back to your default. So you just go to Window, Workspace, Default, and you'll have your 3D layer right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to render your 3D layer. And this takes a couple minutes. So you just have to sit and wait, just watch. So I'm going to come back when it's done rendering. So when your layer is done rendering, you could just right click on the 3D layer and click Rasterize 3D, and then you're done. You could go ahead and delete the extra 3D bits just so you only have your shadow. But other than that, that's how you make a realistic 3D shadow in your photo manipulations, whatever you're going to use it for. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want more tutorials, please let me know what you would like to see in the comments below. If you haven't given the video a like already, please do, and subscribe if you are new, and thanks for watching.